Ndewo no Igbo ndị ọma ekene m unu nnọọ n'oge nkụzi asụsụ Igbo ọzọ. Hey, hi, you are welcome back here, and you are also welcome back to today's episode of Learn Igbo Language with me. So today we are learning two-way sentences in Igbo language. Just two-way sentences in Igbo language. And with me here, I have some lists, and I'm going to be calling out. I'm going to be teaching us from this list because, hey, I'm brain jotter. I'm not a brain jotter, so there's no way I can carry all this on my head. Nah. So we are learning from our list today. And the first we have here is I'm innocent. I'm innocent. That is Akam the Ocha. Akam the Ocha. I'm innocent. Akam the Ocha. Actually, in Igbo language, Aka means hand. Okay, Aka means hand.